Hi, I'm Julie here at Roseville, Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and I'd like to take a moment to talk about how the tomatoes are going. Our spring was exceptionally long, a little bit cool, a little bit moist, and even though your tomatoes might be nice and large, you might be seeing signs of disease, some of which are called blight. Don't take these words too seriously. Often, more like a case of acne, it's not going to kill the plant. What you're looking for is you're going to see on the leaves some little circular spots. Maybe they're yellow, maybe they're purple, maybe they're black. Sometimes you'll see those spots on the stems of the tomato plant as well. In either case, we have some help for you. First, take off some of those most infected leaves and take them off. If the new growth is coming out clean and healthy, you're in good shape. To arrest the spread of any disease, we have two really nice options for you. Several of you already have at home copper fungicide. It's organic, it's safe, you get to use it on your edibles with no waiting period at all. Something that might work even better, however, is the Monterey disease control. Because you get to use it as a spray on the plant, 1 teaspoon to a gallon, as well as a drench in the ground, 1 teaspoon to a gallon. Let's arrest the spread. Like I said though, if that new growth is coming out good, you might be just fine. Still, it doesn't hurt to do it. Both cases, no waiting period, completely safe. Feel free to come by anytime with your questions, and we're always available at idiggreenacres.com.